Right guys, this is how you cross a street here in Vietnam. There's a zebra crossing and you just walk, like leap of faith. Trusting that no one will hit you. Welcome to Hanoi, guys. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam and covers an area of 3,300 square kilometers. It has an estimated population of 7.7 million people, and this second largest city in Vietnam is made up of 1 town, 12 urban and 17 rural districts. Located in the central area of the Red River Delta, Hanoi is the commercial, cultural and educational center of northern Vietnam. I'm right in front of Comte Cafe and I'm gonna go in there to wash my hands a bit and have a cafe. Yeah, before I continue, maybe sketch in there. It looks really cool. Even the toilet is cool. Taking a break right now and waiting for my sandwich. Okay, this is tricky. There's background audio there, so I have to try to figure out how to cancel that and edit. Anyway, this lady is so sweet. She saw me sketching, and this is a lady from Mama's Bread, or Bun Me Mama. She came out and she just gave me this tea to drink. Yeah. So guys, I found this little corner here. Don't wanna try to pronounce the name of the street. But we're right here in front of St. Joseph's Cathedral. If you've gone on the internet enough or if you've traveled, you know that this is a replica of the Cathedral of Notre Dame in Paris. We're here, let's have fun, let's jam, let's get to it. So it's a little hazy today in the morning. The locals tell me that this is not the usual thing. It happens once in a while, but not all the time. Which means it gets a bit more humid and warm during the day. Okay folks, this is my first piece here in Hanoi. It's been a while since I oil painted. I struggled with it. So first time me seeing hell money in the form of American dollars. The city here is indeed really rich. Virtually all food is street food in Hanoi. And many of the cuisines here are unique to Vietnam with influences from the French and Chinese cuisines. Hanoi has one of the world's greatest street food scenes, and there's no better way to try the local bites than to comb down the alleyways of the charming Old Quarter to sample these delicious delights.